Welcome to my channel. It's Elle. I'm so glad you made it back. I am going to take you on our first date night after we were let out the house and allowed outside. This is the look that I will be wearing. I am wearing a dress from Red Dress. Any information, just check below. And I decided to take you on my date night. This is the first time we were let out of quarantine and we decided to have a romantic date night. And just to let you know, we did wear our masks, but I took it off to make sure we filmed this video. So enjoy. Give me a thumbs up. How's everybody doing? It's Elle 𝓁𝒾𝓀ℯ. So we're on our way to Maggiano's, and we haven't been out on a date really since we've been quarantined. So I'm going to take you guys with us. We are getting gas right now. We decided to go out, so I would appreciate it if you can give this video a thumbs up. Let us know if you want to see more vlogs like this. And comment below and let me know, have you been outside in the real world since quarantine? So come on along with us. We haven't been out on a real date around here since quarantine. Come along with us. What you think about all this?
What's that?
We haven't been out since quarantine, wearing a mask and all that.
Oh, yeah. Shake the day off.
Let's go. Okay, so we made it to Maggiano's. We're getting out and we're gonna let you know what it's about. This is our first time there, and we really haven't been on a date since we've been back. We've been out of town, but we really haven't been out really dating around here. So date night.
Let's go.
Let's go. So we brought our masks just to make sure. I'm not sure if they asked for masks in here, but we'll let you know. We brought them just in case. And let's go. Stop mean mugging. You're gonna smile today. There it is. There's not a lot of people here today. It's very light in here. We have a booth seat, and we're looking forward to trying the food. So we're gonna kind of review this place, but they don't know we vloggers. So shh. Okay. Here's the menu. It's a paper menu, and it looks pretty good. Seafood salad, chicken, and steak and dill is at the top. I don't support dill.
Yeah.
So we happy to be out after quarantine. This is phase 2. We are still social distancing at the restaurants. They have placed spaces in between us versus everybody else.
Oh my gosh, guys, you're gonna love
Oh my
this.
goodness gracious. Look
Right.
at this. Look at this.
So good.
Beautiful.
Enjoy.
Oh my
We
gosh.
should be coming out right away.
Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you.
Did we want to leave this one bread on the table?
Yeah, you leave it there. We might get to it.
You got it.
Looks really good.
Ooh, it smells good. There you go, babe.
It's raining.
Tropical storm.
Tropical storm.
That was really good.
It was really good.
Been wanting to try that place for a long time, but it was very, very good. Everything is made from scratch. Scratch kitchen. Very good.
I really enjoyed it. I'll be back. Well, I enjoyed my dinner. How about you, Mr. Traveler?
That was delicious.
Mm-hmm.
Been wanting to try that place for a very long time, and I didn't know they were a scratch kitchen, so they made all the dishes from scratch, and you can customize it and everything. But it was really, really good.
Yes, it was.
I think I hit my whole calorie count with just that bread.
We have been eating very, very, very healthy lately. We've been on a fitness kick. We're not really trying to lose weight, just trying to be healthy.
No, I'm
Because-
trying to lose weight.
Oh, he's fine. Because we've been in quarantine, so we was eating really bad. Not really bad, but we ate a lot of snacks. So we got to lose that weight. I know I do.
I'm losing some weight.
So the food was really good. My favorite thing was probably the garlic bread.
Oh my gosh, that was so good.
That was my favorite.
That was so good.
Okay, see you guys later. Bye, everyone.